guys, so today I'm using this eye primer by Mars Cosmetics to prime my eyes. I've evenly spread it on my eyes, and now I'm using a sugar concealer. It's from Sugar Cosmetics already, as you guys got to know by the name. Now I'll spread it evenly on my eyes so that it gives me a base to work on. It's in shade 30. If anybody of you wanna buy it, I'll put it in the description box too. It's in shade 30. It's having a warm undertone so that it matches my skin. Now as you can see, I'm spreading it very evenly on my eyelid so that my base looks even, and after that I set it with a translucent powder from Sugar itself. And you guys must have noticed that I even did my eyebrows. I did them off camera because it was more convenient, and now I'm creating the look. Like, it's nothing, it's very simple look, guys. Anybody could do this. You just have to take a concealer, make a wing like you're putting on an eyeliner, and always remember that your wing should go up in the direction where your eyebrow ends, so that it looks like the eyeliner. Whenever you put an eyeliner, you make a wing like that only, right? So you have to do that, and then make a line on the crease line and attach it to the wing, and then fill it off with a concealer. After that, set it again with a compact powder or a translucent powder, whatever you prefer, and then we'll start working on the colors. At first I'll be putting yellow color. It's like a bright, not that bright yellow, but yeah, evenly bright yellow. After that I'll be putting some like orange kind of shade. It's not very like bright orange, but yeah, it's orange. So yellow and then orange, and then I'll be using a very light pink, not baby pink, some peaches pink. I'll even put my eyeshadow palette in the description box, okay guys? So I'll use this orange shade and then this pink shade, and now I'm gonna switch to magenta pink. You can even call it like neon pink. So I'll use that bright pink color in the end of my eyes, and as you can see, it looks really pretty. And then I'll evenly merge it with a clean brush. I've used a flat brush, eyeshadow brush obviously, and then I'll be switching my brush to a cleaner brush, and then then I'll be merging it all over. Now for the second eye, I did a transition. Yeah, I did it without the face base first, and then I thought it looked more good when I'll do the face makeup and then do this. So I've done this waterline part at the end. So keep watching till the end, guys. Yeah, and as you guys must have noticed that suddenly I got my eyelashes on. It's because I felt it was more convenient without the camera, because I wouldn't have able to put it on camera. I do feel so like good about putting on my lashes because I'm not that perfect yet. So now I'm using that Sugar foundation stick. I guess it's in shade 40. Yeah, it's in shade 40, and I have dabbed it and spread it evenly on my face. Like you can see, suddenly there's a change of skin tone. So I've done it, and now I'll be putting it on my neck so that it doesn't look that black. I know my neck isn't black, but yeah, still. So now I'm gonna use this bronzer to cut my nose. Okay, so I didn't do it much because I didn't wanted my nose to look like very pinchy. Now I applied concealer under my eyes. I didn't use a color corrector because my foundation is great. It covered all my dark spots. So I'm using a concealer, and now I applied the concealer on my nose and cheeks as well, so that my bronzer, when I apply the bronzer, I get a perfect cut. Now I'm merging it all. Now I'll be setting my face with this translucent powder from Sugar itself. I'll be baking my nose and under eyes so that my base doesn't go anywhere, and then my jawline, and yeah, मेरी आँखों में आंसू आ गए. Now I'm just dusting off the baking powder or translucent powder, anything you like. I'm just dusting it off now, and I guess it's good enough. Now I'll be bronzing my cheeks so that I get a lift when I smile. And after this I'll be applying a blush from Sugar, and the bronzer itself is from Sugar. Yeah, I'm using a lot of Sugar cosmetics today, and it's not a sponsored video. I don't even have subscribers yet to somebody sponsor me. I'm using this Oriflame highlighter. It's like really good, guys. Really good. I applied it on my cheekbones and my nose and my chin and above my lips, and obviously under my eyebrows. After that I'll be using a lipstick. It's from Swiss Beauty, I guess. Yeah, it's from Swiss Beauty, and the shade is very good, guys. I just love that shade, and I do remember the name. I'll put it in the description box. You guys can check it out. So now I've applied my lipstick, and now it's time for doing my waterline. And I did nothing. I did the same process I did above my eyelid: yellow, orange and pink. And then I applied some white kajal too, like not that white, but yeah, I applied white kajal. And now it's time for some beauty shots.